Hello everybody, my name is Nifemi Adefemi and you're welcome to today's Smoothie virtual class, and I'm your instructor for the class. So I look forward to meeting you in the actual class, but for now let's enjoy. So I'll be teaching you the mango smoothie recipe, and some people call it the mango goodness, some people call it the mango madness, whatever you decide to call your mango smoothies. So be it, enjoy it. So the ingredients we need for today's smoothies, we need you need mangoes, you need the coconut milk, you need English pear, you need pineapple, preferably the Cotonou pineapple, and you need your ginger. A little bit of ginger will not hurt. For the fit farm people in the house, you know that ginger is good. So straight to this the process for making it. You would you break your coconut and you remove the coconut. You blend your coconut in the blender, sift out the shaft, and pour the smoothie the coconut milk back into your blender. So after you've done that, you would put your mango, you cut your mango into your blender, cut your pineapple like that 250 size of the Cotonou pineapple, half of it, you cut it into the blender, you cut your English pear into the blender, you cut your apples into the blender, and you put your ginger. You wash your ginger and you cut it, preferably with the skin. It is healthier that way. You blend it together. So until you have that fine consistency, when you have that fine consistency, you stop your blender. You put your smoothies into your smoothie bottle, your smoothie cups, whatever the case may be, and you put it in the refrigerator and enjoy with your family. Thank you.